Meow. So we're starting here, adding detail to this little character drawing. It's easy to overdo it with too many lines in a simple little drawing like this. So you want to think about what lines are important and what lines can be left out. I'm aiming for character and expression more than anything, an interpretation of my subject. I love the tabby stripes for expression. They really help add expression, and little wispy suggestions of hair here and there. We certainly don't need to draw every hair, just little suggestions here and there. And the same goes for those little cute little toe lines too. Just quick little suggestions. We want it to read as cat. And we don't need anything extra. Darken up those eyes because they really are the windows to the soul and kind of a huge part of the focal point of the drawing. Ta-da! Now a few finishing touches, just kind of darkening up important parts on the face. And I always like a little bit of a sideways smirk, some character, devious look. Thanks for watching.